Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we're taking a look at the top 5 best drones for 2025. Whether you are a beginner, a hobbyist, or someone who loves aerial photography, these drones are packed with features that you'll love. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Potensic Atom 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone, Fly More Combo. 4K 30 FPS camera with 3-axis gimbal. Max flight time 96 minutes. Max transmission distance 6 kilometers. Lightweight under 249 grams. Perfect for beginners and adults. Visual tracking, quick shots, AI-assisted flight. The Potensic Atom is an incredibly lightweight drone that doesn't compromise on performance. The 3-axis gimbal provides smooth footage, and the 4K camera is great for capturing stunning aerial shots. Flight time is impressive, especially with the Fly More combo. Pros: extremely lightweight and portable. Long flight time. Smooth and stable 4K video. Cons: camera quality is good, but not on par with high-end professional drones. May feel a bit sensitive in strong winds. Next up, we have the Potensic Atom 2, which brings even more advanced features. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 Drone with Camera for Adults. 4K video and 8K photo capabilities. 3-axis gimbal with AI tracking. Max transmission 10 kilometers. 96-minute flight time. Fly More combo. AI night shot, vertical shooting, quick shots. The Atom 2 is perfect for content creators who want more advanced photography and videography options. AI night shot and vertical shooting modes are excellent for social media content. Pros: long transmission distance, AI-powered features for easy tracking and night shots, excellent flight stability. Cons: slightly higher price point than the Atom 1, steeper learning curve for beginners. If you're looking for a more beginner-friendly option with reliable performance, check out the Holystone HS720E. Number 3. Holystone HS720E Drone. 4K 30 FPS camera with 130 degrees FOV. Max flight time 46 minutes, 2 batteries included. 5 GHz FPV transmission. Brushless motors, GPS-assisted flight. Follow me, auto return, remote ID. Holystone has always been reliable for beginners, and this model continues that trend. Dual batteries extend flight time, and GPS features make flying safe and stable. Pros: great beginner-friendly drone. Dual batteries for extended flight time. Smooth 4K video with electronic image stabilization. Cons: flight time is shorter per battery, slightly larger and heavier than other ultralight drones. Next, we have a compact, beginner-friendly GPS drone that's perfect for casual flyers. Number 4. GPS drone with 4K camera, foldable and beginner-friendly. 4K camera with brushless motor. Max flight time, 45 minutes. Auto return, follow me, tap fly, circle fly. Lightweight and under 249 grams. This drone is super portable and easy to fly, making it ideal for beginners. The 4K camera is decent for casual photography, and the flight features like tap fly and auto return make navigation effortless. Pros: beginner-friendly, foldable and lightweight, smooth flight controls. Cons: camera quality is decent but not professional grade. Flight time is average. Finally, let's check out the Potensic Atom SE, a lightweight drone with some impressive specs. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. 4K EIS camera. Flight time 62 minutes. 4 km FPV transmission. Max speed 16 meters per second. Brushless motor, auto return, foldable design. The Atom SE strikes a balance between portability and performance. The brushless motor ensures smooth flights, and the 4K camera with EIS provides stable footage. It's a solid choice for beginners and hobbyists. Pros: lightweight and foldable, smooth and stable 4K video, reasonable flight time and speed. Cons: FPV transmission is shorter than the Atom 2, limited advanced features compared to premium drones. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and updates. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions, and I'll make sure to check them out. See you in the next video.